This is a SnowTrax product feature.
Companies that have been around for a long time in our industry tell me a couple of things. Number one, they know what they're doing. And number two, people like what they're doing. Dalton Industries, they're one of those companies. Around since the mid-90s, I've personally been working with Dalton for as long as I can remember. They have a racing and machining background and are now distributors not just of snowmobile clutching components in North America and Scandinavia, but off-road clutch components to all over the world, where their orange D logo has become synonymous with quality. The primary products in Dalton's business are three main categories. Firstly, we have primary and secondary springs, we have Helixes, and then we have primary clutch weights. Now you'll notice pretty quickly after visiting their website that Dalton does not offer snowmobile-specific clutch kits. This is an oversight, it's intentional. Dalton offers the largest line of tuning components for all brands of snowmobiles in our industry. And so they work with other suppliers who do sell kits to provide them with high-quality clutch components. They also love working with racers, tuners, and enthusiasts who know clutching and want to do their own tuning, not buy a pre-spec'd kit. Now, Dalton manufactures a very wide range of Helixes for all applications of snowmobiles. And when it comes to angles, they have so many you need to go to their website to see just what's available. The sheer mass of Helixes available through Dalton shows just how long they've been doing this in the snowmobile industry. Dalton machines their own Helixes on their own CNCs from spec billet aluminum and premium materials. They always use high-quality bushings, never allow for cast blanks with holes or porosity that can deteriorate rollers or slide buttons. They even offer, in certain styles, custom angles should you want something different, and most of their Helixes are shipped anywhere in North America with just a few days' notice. High quality and quick turnaround of Helixes is still Dalton's specialty. Now, springs are also something that Dalton offers, and they have a massively wide range of products available in this category. Available in both primary and secondary options for all brands of clutches, Dalton has you covered in the spring department. Compression springs, torsional springs, and more new options are always becoming available for P-Drive, Arctic Cats Adapt, and all other popular brands. Whether you're tuning a sled of the past or a brand new one, Dalton's website is the place you're going to find all available springs and options for your tuning needs. Now, Flyweights as well as quick adjust Flyweights, those are also hallmarks of the Dalton brand. Being able to utilize their quick adjust Flyweights where you don't have to remove the actual arm from the clutch, but add and subtract weight when it's still installed via a T-handle Allen tool makes clutch tuning so much easier. Available for all major brands of sled and off-road applications. As well, Dalton manufactures their own quick adjust Flyweights in-house with high-quality materials and precision machining. They also use the best bushings in the industry, a special composite material that's bonded in place, then bored for accuracy. Because of their special relationship with a chemical company, they also have a custom product line that's proven to last where other brands don't, especially in extreme use applications, and this technology is found in many of the current Flyweight applications. Dalton also offers many tools and pullers to help with different applications. When you have the need for high-quality, precision-manufactured clutch components that you can rely on, make sure you go online and visit daltonindustries.com or order directly at drivepower.ca.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the SnowTrax crew.